So right here, everybody, do you guys see on the day EWO? If you traded this on your swing, that's right here. And now we're right here. And it changed right here. This was your buy, just like everything else, right? Ding, ding, ding.
EWO works on all levels.
Yep.
All levels. Yep. All time frames, all levels.
Yep.
Just depends on how far you go out. Yep. Apple hit new high a day again. 192.59. Apple gang, nice job.
Coach, you know how you usually say, oh, this looks like it's getting heavy. What would be your point where you say it's heavy? Would it be under that 92.25?
Yep, absolutely. Yep, great call out. Yep, because this is just a consolidation zone now.
Yep.
All this.
Okay.
Yep. Perfect job. So actually, David, if you looked at this, let me pull back. This is going to be a flag. Let me pull this back. So right here, everybody, if we go from here to here, look at this, right? This is still beautiful. See the setup? This is really nice. And then we're going to go here. Let's just make this all the way out. Then you got the 192.25. So right here, this is getting ready to pop or drop. See it, David?
Yes, sir.
And then, of course, if we go
But
below,
you're in the 1 minute, right? Correct?
that's correct. Yep. Let me
Okay,
show
okay.
you guys. Yeah. So let me show you guys on the 2 minute. Hold on. So here's your 2 minute. So same drill. If this breaks through here, you will get a drop, but you want to see it pick up support, same spot at 192.25. But this is all just consolidation. So it's waiting right now to figure out, is it going to pop or drop? We're going to use the overall market. You don't get to do that as much with Apple, though. I'll be honest with you. You can
Oh,
see
no.
yeah, I was going to say, you can see the whole market tanking and stuff. But this is why I loved Apple. It does its own thing. And when it gets in a groove, it doesn't matter what everything else is doing. This is why Apple is great.
And if you look at the volume candles, there's really nothing that's telling you to get out. I mean, it's all dominated by the bulls.
Yep. But this right here, this 192.25. So again, this is our 50%. This is the 50% collection area, right? If this breaks below this 192.24, I take more. This would be a 20, right? Because
I'm still a work in progress. I only got one left out of 22.
oh, I got you. Nice job though. 22. That's really good. Yeah. So David, that's more than you usually do, isn't it? Don't you normally do 10?
Well, it's a dollar amount for me. So my Danny DeVito is 1,000 under. My good shack leg is 2,000 and under. And I've slowly been creeping up just a hair.
I got you. Yep. Makes sense.
That way I know I'm okay with the stop loss. I don't really care how many contracts. I need to, in my mind, know I'm okay with the total loss.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yep, I like it. Apple support, 192.24. We've got it marked on our screen. Everybody see this?
Yes, sir.
This is where it needs to hold the line. If it doesn't hold the line here, if this drops, I take another 20 here. This is how this would work for me. Otherwise, I'm still in that 50% zone that I collected in here. So think about this. Now, here's what's nice, everybody. So you collected 50% here. So if you collected 50% here, now look at how slow the trade is moving. So now when it goes up and down, it doesn't scare you as much. Can everybody see it? Look at it.
Yes, sir.
It's way slower now on the P&L. See it? It slows it down. And now it's an easier trade. Now you already know I locked in my money. So now you're up here. You bought down here. This is where you're at. This is now your comfort zone. See it? And this was all profit.